Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Nowadays there are many offers available in Shopclues in different categories: men and women fashion, mobile and accessories, home and kitchen. And I here and there I see even groceries also. Using one such offer, I have purchased a funky guy's red polyester T-shirt. It's available in different sizes, medium, XL and double XL, and the price is the same for all the sizes. I've purchased it for 98 rupees. The Shopclues price is 184 rupees after applying prepaid 20 coupon. It's a soft fabric. You can pair it with your jeans and trousers, and you can go for machine wash. It has a round collar neck with 2 buttons for opening. And you see half sleeves here with elastic. You see free shipping also and Shopclues available for even a single product that you purchase with no minimum cart value. So if you want to purchase 30 rupees product, you can purchase without any delivery charges. If you want to purchase, you can go for this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.